By the end of this video, you will never again have a problem overcoming whatever breakup. I don't care if it's a loved one that you spent a lot of years together, if it's a family member that you truly, deeply love. I don't care if it's a business partner, a close friend you spent 20, 30 years growing up with. It does not matter. You have to follow these 3 steps. And if you do, you will overcome this. It's not about time healing all wounds. It's about time and a process that will help you to heal the wounds. Listen, the first thing you got to do is you got to get to the point where you say, you know what? I will no longer avoid places or things. I don't care if I walk through this door and I think about you when I go through there. Okay, cool. My new normal says that I'm supposed to do things now on my own because you're no longer here. I don't care if I used to go here and you used to be with me. My new normal says that I'm supposed to do things on my own now. And when you embrace your new normal, what happens is that second thing, you become comfortable with being uncomfortable, right? When you're comfortable with being uncomfortable, no longer do you avoid things, you embrace things. Why? Because you know, if this makes me uncomfortable, but I continue to do it, and that thing I continue to do now gives me a new normal, which is I no longer have you. And because I don't have you means I still got a life to live. I can't stop living, because if I stop living, that means I can't produce. And if I can't produce, I can no longer get to my desired results. I am now going to get to the result that I'm allowing you to control because you no longer want to be with me. There's a reason you're not with me. Maybe you don't add value to me, or I don't add value to you. Whatever it is, I can't stop my growth process. And when I understand I can't stop the growth process, I say, yep, whatever my new norm is, let me get it. Whatever pain I got to go through and whatever I got to embrace to get to that new normal, I'm going to take it. And unfortunately, getting to that new normal means I got to be uncomfortable, and I'm okay with that. Why? Because I understand that my new normal gives me new results. The new results get me to the destination that I want to be at, not just the destination. The destination could be standing here in pain. I don't want to be here in pain. I want to get to my desired results, and I want to live a life of glory. My question is, do you? And when you say to yourself, I want that, then you will embrace whatever pain you got to go through. You will take everything that you need to take, even if it's being uncomfortable. You will fall in love with being uncomfortable. That third thing I need you to do is I need you to get in front of that mirror, and I need you to tell yourself, yep, I'm going to embrace going to every place and doing everything that I was avoiding before. I'm going to embrace that now, and I'm going to take the uncomfortable feeling that it gives me so that I can get into this new normal and live my life. And when I put my head down and I'm in front of that mirror and I lift it up and I say, yep, whatever you got to bring to me today that's going to be my new normal, I'll take that. Whatever you're going to give me that's going to make me uncomfortable, I'll take that, because I know on the other side of embracing this pain, I know on the other side of embracing being uncomfortable, I'm going to get what I want. This is going to give you time to slow down. And when you slow down, you're going to identify that because you don't have that loved one with you anymore, or because you don't have that family member in your life, or that friend you grew up with, or that business partner, you don't have them anymore. But you got to understand that them not being there, right, is not messing up the entire picture, but that one missing piece that you haven't took time to realize is really the problem. It's not I don't like going to this building. I love what's in this building. It's not I don't like going over here and enjoying myself. I love enjoying myself. It's not I don't love the smell of whatever this is that reminds me of you. But all I know is that if I slow down and I take some time to think, what that's going to do is allow me to find that missing piece. Why did you and me at this building mean something? Why did me smelling this mean something? Why did us doing this mean something? Maybe over here, we was bouncing things off of each other. Great. I understand that now. So now it's not I don't like the place. It's just the new normal is I don't have no one to bounce things off of. So because I know that's the problem, I can now start to end my new normal, and me being uncomfortable, I can meet someone who is similar. I'm not looking to replace you. I'm just looking for somebody new to bounce things off of. And when I find that, I'm no longer dreading going here because I wasn't missing you for this place. I was missing you for what we was doing here, but I found somebody new to do it with. It's not that I was missing you and I didn't want to smell this anymore, right? It's just that when I smell it and I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of the memories, I get depressed. I'm finding in my new normal somebody else to do these new things with. And I'm telling you, when you start to look at it like that and you say, yep, I'm going to embrace whatever feeling I got to take. I'm going to embrace being uncomfortable. I'm going to embrace slowing down and finding what that missing piece is. It's not the whole picture that's broke. It's a piece that's broke. And if I can replace that piece, then I can replace my life and I can get on to my new normal. And inside of my new normal, I can take care of the ones that depend on me. I can take care of myself, and I can do the extra things that I want to do. And I'm telling you, I'm not looking to get over you. I'm just looking to live my life. And when you can live your life and you can move on and you can keep growing, you will now start to feel better. And that's going to help you to embrace every bit of nonsense that you got to go through. So when time goes by, that time is passing. And when that time is passing, I'm getting better and better and better and better. And whatever they're doing over there is not going to affect me over here. Whatever they're doing, wherever they are, it's not going to affect me where I am. Why? Because I'm addicted to being uncomfortable. I'm addicted to embracing every bit of nonsense that I got to go through, whatever it is, so I can get to that new normal and reach my desired results. Listen, man, I'm telling you, it will change your life. $86,400 I could choose them wisely, or somebody will waste them for you.